Welcome to the Camera Surface Model Project Part 1. In today's lesson we're looking at inserting images. We're going to insert an image into a Fusion 360 file. We are going to move and manipulate that image into the correct position, and we are going to calibrate an image so that it matches the real size of the product. I'm going to start by going to the Insert Image function in the top toolbar, and then I'm going to go into my files and I'm going to select my front view image. Once I've got the image selected, I then need to select the work plane that I'm going to place the image in. And now I can just quickly move my image into a position that I'm happy with. So I'm going to line up the bottom corner as close as possible with the origin point. Now I'm going to go get my second image, which is a plan view of the camera, and I'm going to do that in much the same way. So I'm going to go into Insert Picture. I'm going to select the plan view. I'm going to insert the image and I'm going to align it with that origin point in the same way as I did the front view. I've moved this image slightly further down so that it actually sits halfway across the front view. This is just going to make modelling a little bit easier. You'll be able to see now that I can turn on the visual references to my canvases. So I can turn them off and I can turn them on, and this is going to make editing much easier, especially when it comes to calibrating my designs. And basically what I'm going to do there is I'm going to size them up. On my photograph I've got a line that gives me the measurement of the phone, and if I right click on the photograph I can click on Calibrate, and I can click the first point of the line and the second point of the line, and this will then give me a dimension toolbar, which I'm now going to change to 90mm, which is the size of my camera. I'm just going to very quickly use the fit screen function at the bottom of the screen just to zoom out so I can see everything, and then I can turn the front view off, and now I can turn the plan view on. And now I can just repeat that calibration process by right clicking Calibrate, clicking on the first point on the dimension line, and then clicking on the second point of the dimension line. It's worth noting that you don't need incredibly expensive photo editing software to put these dimensions in. These photographs have simply been edited in PowerPoint. I put the dimension line on there in PowerPoint, and then I just saved the PowerPoint as a JPEG image instead of a PowerPoint presentation. And there we go. I've now got two base images that I can use to help me when it comes to my surface modelling of this camera. Both of them are aligned, and both of them are the correct size. So now I'm ready to start modelling. So some points to remember. You can insert any JPEG or compatible image file using the insert function. Please remember to edit your image so that it includes a dimension line. This will make calibration much easier. And then finally, use your calibration tool to make sure that the image is the same size as the product would be in real life.